Dungeons & Dragons had a bad rep as both a game for nerds and for hardcore Satanists trying to revive the Dark Lord. But in actuality, the game's recent success and boom is proof that it's really just a game and nothing more. So in this video, we're giving you 3 reasons why you definitely need to play it. First up, very simply, the game is great for confidence building and social skills. It's plain to see how the game can be used not only as a tool for stress relief as you take the reins of a different person, but also builds confidence in public speaking and role-playing while developing critical thinking and creative skills. Yes, seriously. Secondly, the game is a great way to put yourself literally into someone else's shoes for a little while. This is a great stress reliever and can truly help people step away from their problems for a while once a week or once a month. And honestly, while it seems intimidating at first, the game is relatively easy to learn to play, and with the right group of people, you'll never laugh harder. And lastly, killing monsters and getting gold helps blow off steam. There are lots of studies that show that video games are a great form of outlet for millions of people out there. Dungeons & Dragons is that and so much more. Why? Because it's an immersive story that you are helping create. You're a participatory narrator in the world, and your actions have consequences. It's like the best video game. Now, these are just 3 reasons why we think you should play the game. If you can think of others, which I'm sure you will, leave them in the comments down below. Let's get more players and DMs out there. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your displacer beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.